What's up guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to compile a program in C. It's not very difficult, but yeah, you have to do some things. So first of all we are going to open Visual Studio Code and open a folder in which you are comfortable. Now if you check this, we are in a PowerShell terminal. This terminal is the Windows one and we have to open the Linux one. So we go here and you see that here it says Ubuntu. This is the one that we have to open. We click here and automatically we are in the folder in which we are working. So for example, if I now create a file a.c and I do ls, a.c is shown. So this means that this is okay, that we are in the correct place. How do we compile a program? First of all, let's create a C program, which is very easy. So yeah, as you can see, we have the typical programming program, which is the hello world, and we have to compile it. So I don't have anything installed. So basically what we have to do is to use GCC, but it is going to say that, hey, you don't have GCC installed. Yeah, it's better to first run the sudo apt update because you will have to probably update a lot of things and you will not have any issue. Now let's try to reinstall this again. Okay, so now it looks everything is installed. So we just have to use gcc -c, the name of the program a.c, and it works because it didn't show any failure message. Now if we type ls, we are going to see that the file a.o, it's been created. This is the object file, this is a binary file, but we need to create an executable file. So in order to create an executable file, we just type gcc -o, the name of our executable a, and the name of the objects that we had before, a.o. Now the executable has been created, which is a, and if we type this and the name of the executable, we can execute the executable. So you see, hello world. Now in this way of compiling, you can compile a lot of files and create one executable. But when you have this situation in which we just have one file, you can simply do gcc -o a.c, and this command creates directly the executable. So let's remove the executable, and if we execute again this command, yeah, the executable has been created. When we have just one file, this is exactly the same and it's faster. So yeah, that's everything I have to tell you for compiling. We will talk about compiling more when we have several files, but from now we are just going to use one file, so it will be okay with this. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you understood everything, and see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to go and check my website, in which I talk about trading and cryptocurrencies and all that stuff for a very cheap price.
Damn, Sosa. You going crazy.
Rest in peace, Black Pop, quédate tranquilo, 666. Estoy bajando todo, lo siento, te quedas en nada. Rest in peace, Black Pop.